Another day, another story. Prom Hairstyles 2023 that will make you feel like a red carpet star. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of prom hairstyles for 2023. Get ready to turn heads and feel like a red carpet star on your special night. Let's get started. Prom Hairstyles 2023 with amazing ideas. As prom season approaches, it's essential to find the perfect hairstyle to complement your dress and makeup. From sleek and straight to romantic updos, there's a prom hairstyle out there for everyone. Let's explore the hottest looks you can't miss. Sleek and straight. For a classic and sophisticated look, consider wearing your hair sleek and straight. This style is perfect for those with naturally straight hair or those who prefer to use a flat iron. Add a middle or side part for a polished look, and don't forget a little shine serum for extra gloss and smoothness. It's a powerful choice that will make a statement. Romantic updos. If you're looking for a soft and feminine look, go for a romantic updo. Incorporate loose braids, twists, and curls to add texture and dimension. A low bun with cascading curls is a classic choice, while a messy updo with tendrils framing the face creates a boho chic vibe. It's a friendly and approachable style that exudes romance and elegance. Half up, half down. The half up, half down hairstyle is versatile and adaptable to different hair types and lengths. This year, add a little extra flair with braids, twists, or volume at the crown. It's a curious and playful look that allows you to create a unique and eye-catching style. Textured waves. Textured waves are a popular choice for prom hairstyles, giving you a relaxed and effortless vibe. Tousled and messy waves create a boho chic look, while polished and glamorous waves give you a red carpet feel. It's the perfect style for those who want to look effortlessly beautiful and stylish. Embellished styles. Accessories can elevate any prom hairstyle. Sparkly clips, headbands, or even flowers can add an extra touch of glamour to a simple updo or loose waves. It's a must-try style for those who want to make a statement and show off their unique personality. Braids. Braids have been a popular choice for prom hairstyles for years, and they're not going away anytime soon. From simple fishtails to intricate Dutch braids, there are countless ways to incorporate braids into your prom look. It's a friendly and approachable style that creates a fun and youthful look. Pixie cuts. If you have short hair, don't worry. A pixie cut can be a chic and stylish choice for prom. With a little bit of product and texture, you can create a playful and flirty look. It's a powerful and confident style that shows off your bold and fearless personality. High ponytails. A sleek, high ponytail is a bold and sophisticated choice for prom. Whether straight or curly, this style elongates the neck and accentuates the cheekbones. It's a curious and eye-catching look that allows you to make a statement and stand out from the crowd. Vintage-inspired. Want to add a touch of retro glamour to your prom look? Go for vintage-inspired hairstyles like finger waves, victory rolls, or pin curls. It's an amazing style that brings a sense of nostalgia and sophistication to your prom hairstyle. Perfect for those who want to add a touch of vintage flair. Loose curls. Loose curls are a timeless choice for prom hairstyles. Create soft, bouncy curls using a curling wand or hot rollers. You can leave them loose and flowing for a romantic look or pin them back for a half-up, half-down style. It's a friendly and approachable style that will make you look effortlessly beautiful. Sleek bun. Looking for a simple yet elegant choice? Opt for a sleek bun. Pull your hair back into a low bun and secure it with bobby pins. Add a little hairspray and smoothing serum for a sleek and polished finish. It's a powerful and sophisticated style, perfect for exuding confidence and class. Messy bun. If you prefer a relaxed and playful look, go for a messy bun. Pull your hair back into a loose bun and allow a few strands to fall out for a natural effect. Use a texture spray to add volume and dimension. It's a curious and youthful style that creates a carefree and fun look. Side swept waves. Want to achieve a glamorous and sophisticated look? Try side swept waves. Curl your hair and sweep it to one side, securing it with hairspray and bobby pins. It's a stunning style that will make you feel red carpet ready. Bouffant. To add a touch of retro glamour, go for a bouffant hairstyle. Tease the hair at the crown and secure it with bobby pins. Leave the rest of the hair loose, or pull it back into a low ponytail or bun. It's a must-try style for those who want to incorporate vintage flair into their prom look. In conclusion, there are endless options for prom hairstyles in 2023. Whether you prefer sleek and sophisticated, romantic and feminine, or playful and carefree, there's a perfect style out there for you. Take some time to experiment with different looks and find the one that makes you feel amazing on your special night. Before we wrap up, let's answer a few frequently asked questions about prom hairstyles. How do I create a loose, messy updo for prom? To create a loose, messy updo, start by teasing the crown of your hair for volume. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and loosely twist it into a bun. Pull out some strands of hair around your face to frame it and finish with a texturizing spray for a messy, undone look. What is a waterfall braid, and how can I create one for prom? A waterfall braid is a style that involves braiding sections of hair and dropping them down to create a cascading effect. To create a waterfall braid for prom, start by taking a section of hair at the top of your head and dividing it into 3 sections. Begin braiding, dropping the outermost section of hair on each side as you go. Continue braiding around the crown of your head and securing it with bobby pins. How can I create a classic French twist with a modern twist for prom? To create a classic French twist with a modern twist, start by pulling your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck. Twist the ponytail upward, securing it with bobby pins as you go. Once you reach the crown of your head, twist the remaining hair into a messy bun and pin it in place. You can add a hair accessory like a decorative comb or ribbon to give it a modern touch. How can I style my hair with a headband for prom? There are many ways to style your hair with a headband for prom. For a sleek and sophisticated look, try pulling your hair back into a low ponytail and securing it with a headband. If you want a more bohemian vibe, opt for a braided headband or a floral crown. The choice of the headband can completely transform your hairstyle and add a unique flair to your prom look. What is a chignon, and how can I create an elegant low chignon for prom? A chignon is a low bun that sits at the nape of the neck. To create an elegant low chignon for prom, start by pulling your hair back into a low ponytail. Then, twist the ponytail into a loose bun and secure it with bobby pins. You can pull out a few face-framing pieces of hair for a softer look. To add a finishing touch, use hairspray to keep everything in place. It's a sophisticated and timeless style that will make you feel effortlessly glamorous. With so many prom hairstyles to choose from, you can find the perfect one that suits your style and personality. Whether you go for sleek and straight, romantic updos, textured waves, or any other trendy style, the goal is to make you feel like a red carpet star on your special night. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the hottest prom hairstyles of 2023. We hope you find inspiration and ideas for your own prom look. For more fashion, ethical fashion, beauty blogs, and expert advice, be sure to visit FitoNear.com. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.